Our journey begins in Santorini, Greece, a picture-perfect paradise known for its stunning sunsets, crystal-clear waters, and whitewashed buildings. This island, nestled in the heart of the Aegean Sea, is an embodiment of Greek charm and elegance. Imagine walking down the meandering cobblestone paths, each turn revealing a new facet of this breathtaking destination. The island's architecture is a sight to behold, with its iconic blue-domed churches standing majestically against the backdrop of the gleaming sea. These whitewashed structures, adorned with vibrant bougainvillea, lend an ethereal aura to the Santorinian landscape. Santorini's beaches are another marvel in themselves. The island is fringed by an array of beaches, each unique in its own way. From the black volcanic sands of Kamari and Parissa to the mesmerizing Red Beach, these coastal retreats offer a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Now let's talk about the gastronomic delights of Santorini. The island's cuisine is a testament to Greece's rich culinary heritage. The locally grown cherry tomatoes, white eggplants, and fava beans add a unique flavor to the traditional Greek dishes. And no trip to Santorini would be complete without savoring the renowned Assyrtiko wine, made from grapes grown in the island's volcanic soil. At this point, let's hear from one of the island's local tour guides. Santorini is not just a destination, it's an experience, he says. From watching the world's most beautiful sunset in Oya to hiking the Caldera Path, there's something for everyone here. And don't forget to visit the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, often referred to as the Greek Pompeii. Santorini, with its stunning vistas, unique beaches, delectable cuisine, and rich history, offers a truly immersive travel experience. It's a place where every moment becomes a cherished memory, where the azure sea meets the clear sky in a symphony of colors, where time seems to stand still. Whether you're seeking romance or relaxation, Santorini is a summer dream come true. Next, we venture to Bali, Indonesia. This island is a haven for those who love both adventure and tranquility. Picture yourself meandering through lush, emerald-green rice terraces that stretch as far as the eye can see, or exploring ancient temples that hold centuries of history and culture. Imagine the thrill of catching a wave on one of Bali's renowned surf spots, or the serenity of watching the sun set over a tranquil beach, the sky ablaze with hues of orange and red. And don't forget the vibrant local markets, where you can immerse yourself in the island's rich culture and pick up unique, handcrafted souvenirs. As we have a travel blogger with us, they've shared some tips for first-time visitors. They recommend visiting the iconic Tanah Lot Temple, trying local delicacies like nasi goreng, and experiencing a traditional Balinese massage. From its lush rice terraces to its rich cultural heritage, Bali offers an unforgettable experience. Vancouver, Canada is our next stop. This diverse city is surrounded by mountains and water, offering a blend of urban exploration and outdoor activities. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the North Shore Mountains, Vancouver is a bustling metropolis that seamlessly integrates natural beauty into its cityscape. The city's skyline, marked by towering glass skyscrapers, reflects the azure waters of its harbors and the emerald green of its parks. Summer in Vancouver is a time of vibrant events and outdoor pursuits. From food festivals that celebrate the city's multicultural heritage, to outdoor concerts under the starlit sky, there's never a dull moment. Add to that the countless trails for hiking and biking, or the serene beaches perfect for a lazy afternoon. We had a chat with local resident Jane, who shared some of the city's hidden gems. She recommends exploring the bustling Granville Island Market and taking a leisurely stroll in the tranquil Van Dusen Botanical Garden. It's a perfect summer destination for those who want the best of both worlds. In Kyoto, Japan, history and nature collide. This city, once the imperial capital of Japan, is a treasure trove of culture, tradition, and natural beauty. As you wander through its ancient streets, you'll encounter remnants of a bygone era, manifested in its myriad of temples, shrines, and traditional tea houses. Kyoto, nestled among lush hills, is home to over 2,000 temples and shrines. Each of these sacred sites tells a unique story, echoing the whispers of history and spirituality. From the golden pavilion of Kinkakuji to the 1,000-torii gates of Fushimi Inari Taisha, Kyoto's temples are a testament to the city's rich past. But Kyoto is not just about its temples. Its tranquil gardens, designed in various styles, are a feast for the senses. Whether it's the rock formations of Ryoanji or the moss gardens of Saihoji, these green spaces offer a tranquil retreat from the bustling city life. The traditional tea houses in Kyoto are another facet of its cultural heritage. Here you can experience the Japanese tea ceremony, an intricate ritual that embodies the principles of harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. To help us delve deeper into Kyoto's cultural significance, let's hear from a cultural expert. They'll share insights about Kyoto's significance and recommend must-visit spots during the summer. Kyoto's enduring charm lies in its seamless blend of history, culture, and nature. It's a serene retreat for those looking to connect with nature and culture, making it a must-visit destination for your summer 2024 travel plans. Our final highlight is Cape Town, South Africa. This city is a melting pot of cultures, landscapes, and wildlife. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Table Mountain, Cape Town is a city that dances to its own tune. It's a place where modernity and history blend seamlessly, where vibrant street life meets breathtaking natural beauty. The city's landscapes are as diverse as its people. From the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean to the rugged slopes of Table Mountain, every corner of Cape Town is a feast for the senses. And let's not forget the wildlife. Whether it's spotting penguins at Boulder's Beach or witnessing the migration of whales, Cape Town's diverse fauna is a spectacle in itself. But Cape Town is not just about the sights. It's about the sounds, the smells, the tastes. The city's bustling streets are alive with music, markets, and mouth-watering cuisine. From the colorful houses of Bo-Kaap to the hip cafes of Woodstock, Cape Town offers a cultural smorgasbord that is as varied as it is vibrant. Now let's hear from a travel vlogger who has experienced Cape Town firsthand. They'll share their personal adventures, from hiking up Lion's Head for a sunrise view to tasting the city's world-class wines. They'll also give tips on how to make the most of your visit, from exploring hidden gems to embracing local customs. From its iconic Table Mountain to its bustling waterfront, Cape Town is a thrilling summer destination. It's a city that offers a unique blend of natural wonders and cultural richness, promising an unforgettable adventure for every traveler.